Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a fantasy casting from Hot Wheels. It's called Hako Type T. It's based on Japanese sports car. That's what I've heard. It says Hot Wheels Japanese imports. It's new for 2025 and it's something related to Netflix. I'm not sure if it's related to some series or anything. If you do know, let me know. Okay, let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Hako Type T out of its box. It has got some good details, which I like. Obviously, it has got some, sides to fantasy casting, which you don't normally see on actual cars too. But let's talk about it. So, up front, you can see it has got turn indicators. Good sign. I am assuming these are the headlamps. I'm not sure, even the top ones might be the headlamps. These might be the fog lamps, I guess. Yellow windshield. There's a scoop in the hood. No mirrors. This looks like a sunroof I used to see in a lot of Japanese cars back in 80s and 90s. That's why it's slightly open. Since it's Japanese, or Japanese inspired, steering wheel is on the right side. And it has got a full interior if you look closely. But a single seat, so it's a racing car. And since we are on the reverse side, let's see other things. Number 99, something written in Japanese which I can't understand. And this small vents here, and on the design on the B-pillar. A lot of Japanese cars used to have that back in the day, like the small design elements. So again, you throw back to those. Wheels, again, we have seen on a lot of different Hot Wheels, and they look at place for a old JDM. You also see this big spoiler. Again, the racing JDM will look like that. Coming to the rear, this design inside the wheel, the lines, if you have seen older cars, you must have seen this, like they had those very, they were for demister, for like the heating up the window, these elements, but they were like very dark at the time. You could see them easily. Now cars have very thin lines, so they're not that easily visible. So it kind of shows that too. And these must be the tail lamp. Again, not detailed. I don't see like a proper exhaust tips, but these do look like one, because from the bottom it's almost flat, like no details. And this is how it looks from the passenger side, but there is no seat there. It's only one seat. So overall, well, it's a nice casting. I'm not that much into fantasy casting, but if you are, you will really love it. But even after that, I think it's a nice addition to the collection. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.